Hello Snowflake engineers and welcome to the video. If you don't know me, I am Sujit Nair, a cloud data architect. I am also a Snowflake Snowpro certified professional. In today's video, I will be covering certification question related to Snowpro. Let's begin.
How can you enable query acceleration? I will give you a few seconds to decide on an answer. If you need more time, please use the pause button. And the right answer to this question is alter warehouse enable query acceleration equal to true. Now let's jump into a short demo to try and validate if this is accurate. The first thing we need to remember is that query acceleration is always set at a warehouse level even though it is a serverless concept. And the reason is because queries that are running on a given warehouse are provided serverless compute with the help of enable query acceleration. So I'll set the context to use the target database. I'm going to do show warehouses. Out here I'm going to scroll to the right, and out here I can see by default enable query acceleration is set to false. I'm going to set the enable query acceleration to a value of true. I go to show warehouses, and out here now I can see that the value has been set to true and the scale factor is equal to 8. So coming back to the certification question, the way we can enable query acceleration is by using set enable query acceleration equal to true.